Hi, I'm Moshe Tanach. I'm the co-founder and CEO of NeuReality, and we make AI easy. So our vision is to enable AI deployment everywhere, expanding it to new sectors and allowing hyperscalers and heavy users of AI to scale up their usage. TSMC had been with us from day one, almost 3 years ago, from the architecture level all the way through the implementation, and now we're very close to production, and we're thankful for them to adhering to our startup requirements and giving us access to their experts and their technology. Today, AI is already deployed in computer vision, language processing, recommendation engines, but there's a lot of barriers integrated in the system around the deep learning processors that prevent us from scaling up and making it ubiquitous and accessible to all. The current architecture, as you can see here, is a CPU-centric architecture, where the CPU is in the center running a lot of software tasks for every AI request. And this introduces a tough bottleneck on the system level, and also you need to use the most expensive CPUs in order to host the deep learning processors. What we had done, we changed that architecture and invented a new type of device that is creating a more scalable architecture. And we call it NAPU, Network Addressable Processing Unit. It is directly attached to the network, and it offloads all the heavy lifting software tasks to hardware. So we can streamline. And if we take ChatGPT as an example, we can lower the cost of running ChatGPT and the power consumption of it by an order of magnitude, just by changing the system around the deep learning processors. Above that, we developed 3 layers of software that simplify the access to it. A common company like 7-Eleven don't have the R&D resource that Meta, AWS, and other big companies has. So it is very difficult for them to deploy new AI use case. Our software layers allow them to easily deploy, and it serves the model, the AI model processing, it serves the pipeline around it, and it gives a face, it gives a service layer that automatically connects to the orchestration layer of the data center. All this software make AI easy to deploy, affordable, and scalable. This is our chip. It comes in a PCI form factor, and you can install 10 of them inside one chassis. The next slide, you can see the system design. It's very different than the existing CPU-centric architecture. It has one row for 10 NR1 cards, and each one of them is hosting any deep learning accelerator, a GPU, an ASIC, an FPGA. So it pretty much gives all the benefits of the system and the affordability for every deep learning processor that the customer wants to use. And this is who NeuReality is, and this is what NeuReality does. AI-centric solutions for massive deployment of AI in every aspect of our life.